We spoke on the phone some few weeks ago or some few days ago about a project that I was doing for you. But first, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Samson Anami, and I'm one of the directors at Bula Softworks Limited, where we do innovate, automate, and grow businesses using our custom solutions for them. So we are a team of engineers. This is our website, bula.co.ke. So we are a team of engineers who are passionate about engineering, more so software engineering. And we have built a number of products that are there, like Bula Point of Sale. We have a product called PaySignal, Guardian Watch, Policy Pal for insurances, and EduSpace for learning institutions. So plus a number of softwares that we didn't list here. And so we engineer custom software solution, and we do also workflow automation in terms of if you want your workflow to be very well automated. And also we do legacy modernization. So if we find you with a legacy system or a legacy website, we can modernize it to make it appeal to your customers and also give you that feel of a right generation business, and also give you that outstanding position in the market. So also we do secure cloud architectures where we build for scaling and resilient system that can support thousands and thousands of transactions and thousands of customers at a go. So we are a team of very experienced developers who just came together and formed this company to just offer solutions to business, more so backend solutions and solutions that does automation for the business. So why should you choose us? First is because we build, so we are builders, so we just build and we ensure that is you first, that your business first. So we tackle your pain first and ensure that anything that we do first is to help your business be seamless and grow. And secondly, we do it in a very secure way so that we ensure your data and everything about your business is kept very privately with the modern secure architectures, because we are engineers by craft and this is what we do on daily basis. So also what we are looking for is a long-term partnership with you and your business, so that also through you we'll get referrals into more entrepreneurs and more businesses that we can help them automate their businesses, and through that of course we'll probably generate some few coins here and there. We do mostly cloud native, so we actually base our solutions online in cloud, so that it's easy for multi-access, also redundancy and replication of the app, and also for easy access and support. So we have 24 hours support. So to enable that also, we like to keep everything on cloud. So why us? So we do custom architecture, we do end-to-end workflow, we do legacy system unified, and also we secure your infrastructure and your data, and also we are a team of dedicated engineers. So our approach is, first we discover what you need, where your pain points are, and then we try to give you a solution, and then we iterate through it until now we actually get you off your pain in the business in terms of the hiccups and those processes that give you problems, or those which are problematic within the business. Yeah, so that's all about us. So how we engage: first we discover and assess your whichever solution that you may want. So either if you called us, or maybe we spotted your business, maybe because we did business with you, like how I identified Tris Motorcycles, then we'll just do a discover and assessment of which are your pain points. And then we'll sit together with you, we'll build a solution, and then we'll deploy and then wait to scale. So this scaling will come after your business has streamlined and you're making more sales, you're making more customers, you're seamless within your processes, your workers are happy, and then once you scale, now we scale together with you, and that's where now we thrive as a business. So we try to make it simple and transparent in terms of pricing. So you find some of the products, we'll do them at a fixed package or other premiums. per month, per whatever, something like that. For example, if you come and say you want a point of sale and stuff like that, we'll give you a solution based on your business first, the number of scales, the number of users, the number of locations, and then we'll price you depending on that. So which are very negotiable. After we negotiate, then we'll give you an offer for that. So these are our contacts in case you want to find us. We had an office in Mudaiga Square, but right now we're working fully remotely. And so, but we are very accessible within Nairobi, Nakuru. Yeah, and those are the major towns that we are readily available. If you call us within some few minutes, we'll be there. So back into the business of the day. So we saw your website as Tris Motors. We are just trying to check out and see what you guys are doing. And we saw a very beautiful website here that you created and what you do, training, blah, blah, blah. So we went through all the major iconic items that are here, trying them out and just trying to see what you're trying to do as a business and your digitization as a business, how far it is. So I hope we found the right website for you. We could see your products and stuff like that. But we just noticed some few hiccups here and there or areas of improvement. So we saw some gaps that we can actually come in and improve within your business. And so for that to be very seamless, we decided to just do for you a very nice upgrade of this system and just give you a very nice looking system. So what are we looking up to? So we are looking up to doing a new Tris web application as opposed to just a website, a static website for adding your leads into your WhatsApp chats, because you can easily lose those chats and you can easily lose a lead and stuff, something like that. And that one means a business for you and it means profit for you. So currently in your setup, your store closes wherever you sleep. For example, if a customer chats you at night, I'm not sure, I can guess probably you won't be able to answer them at that particular time. Probably answer them in the morning and stuff like that. So your store now, it's upon you being awake. So if you're awake, then customers will get service, customers will pay, customers will buy and stuff like that. And going into a 24-hour economy, that's something that will be a hiccup in the near future if you want to remain afloat as a business. Number two is, so every sale that you do involves a manual chat. So any lead from online and stuff like that, it will involve a manual chat either on your socials, either on WhatsApp and stuff like that. So you want to get rid of that also to give you some automation. And also, there's no online payment within your website, what I've seen, which is very key. If you have an online payment, then it means customers who know you and trust you, definitely like me, I'll just go directly into the website and buy and then wait for you to call me in the morning and tell me how I'll get my item, or if I'm coming to pick them, or if you're sending a delivery guy to get it to me. That's very easy. So next is we have no record of what was bought and who bought what. So in terms of the automation that will give you now, you can be able to see the listing of your customers, and also this will help you whenever you want to do a bulk advertisement and stuff like that. So even if you do in your socials, TikTok, Instagram, also you can give actual customers who bought from you and actual messages directly, and these customers probably will find them on emails, on in their phone numbers and stuff like that, to just do those advertisements to them. So assuming they didn't save your number, you didn't save their number, still we can reach out to them. Lastly is stocks now lives in your head in terms of literally you have to remember every count of who you did a business with, how many people have bought A, B, C, D and stuff like that. Presumably, if you don't have maybe an Excel sheet somewhere that you're filling out these, or an internal system that you're filling out these, probably those are some of the items that you're missing from your system. So among them, we'll try to see. So what are we coming up with? So with the new app, what we are doing is, first we are giving you an online storefront which will be open 24/7 for transactions. That means a customer can come anytime, place a deposit, buy a product, buy a service, and do all those things that they want to do, and feel like you're still online and live with them even during your off hours, or where you're not available during holidays and nighttime. So and also one thing to note is that We don't actually need accounts for each and every customer who is interacting with your website, unless those people who want to now give you a review or they want to keep the history of their purchases with you. But for the rest, we'll just have their few contacts, very light KYC for them, and then they're good to go to transact with you anytime, any day. That will help you a lot. So in terms of cards and mobile money checkout, so we'll give you this option whereby customers will be able to buy everything online, and that's where now we come in as a business, and we're saying we're giving you this automation plus online payment that will be checking out finally into your bank account, be it your bank account or your mobile money or your phone, whichever option that you put in there. We can set it automatically, or upon withdrawal you can say I want to withdraw my funds every hour, or I want to withdraw my funds at the end of the day, or I want it done automatically every week or every day or stuff like that into this particular account. So you configure all that in your admin backend, and then we can pick it up from there and automatically check out that. So next is now you have a livestock control. That means if a product ends, then you can easily go to the admin page and replenish. You can go to the admin page and maybe waste a product. If a product was destroyed, you can also add stock. You can do a restock very easily and quickly without a lot of or requiring a very big point of sale to do the same. And also remember, this is very integratable. In case you have an internal point of sale, then we can integrate through APIs that whenever you update your stocks within your internal whatever, then we can pick that and update it into the website and into your dashboard. That is the online platform. Next is now those reviews and coupon codes that you'll be giving out for, maybe you want to do a promotion and you want to do some discounts for customers. Then you can create some coupon codes and advertise it on your socials. Once the customer come with that coupon code, then you can sell them with a less price, of course, with a discount. And also now you'll get verified reviews. In terms of a customer who has bought from you is the only customer who can review you. So that one also will add your legitimacy, and also customers now will trust you more in terms of the reviews that they are seeing on your website. So that is just to boost the visibility of the business and also trust within your customers and any other third party that will come across your website. Also, one major item as a value of done away of, you can see your orders, your invoices and quotations. I'll show you that once we go into the demo. Very easily you can create invoices and quotations, send invoices to the customers, and then the customers can pay against those invoices. Up to when they complete the invoices can come to you as paid. And all this time that all these transactions are happening, you're getting an email and SMS around the same. So you can actively, you don't need to tense or to worry. You can actively know whenever all these things are happening within your website, or whenever any customer is interacting with your website. Then we have done automatic order confirmation. This means your customers and you, both the sides, will be receiving SMSs and emails on the progress of their order, their placement, their payment. They'll get online receipts whereby they can just go and check their receipt, download whichever PDF they want. And also this keeps you safe in terms of now you don't need to actually be keeping the hard copy records of receipt and everything like that within your system. So you can customize the receipts even to whichever format that you like, and then we have it online. One tap sign in, that means also your customer can sign in with Google and Facebook. So once this is very live, we'll integrate that so that we have less friction within the customers. Their checkout process will be very easy, and for those that needs to keep an account with you, also for them, we've made the work so easy for them. They just tap on one button and they're in. Another item is on controlling your content. So here we say you can edit your about page, your FAQs, your testimonial. All those pages, they'll now be very dynamic in terms of now customers can actively actively, it's not customer, sorry, so you and your employees, you can easily update whichever content that you want to update. For example, you want to update your contact, you want to update a testimonial, you want to update an FAQ, you want to update information of your branch and stuff like that. Even the homepage, you can actually modify a lot of the items which are there. So that's like a content management system that you have built within your backend that you can just log in and do all those tasks without struggling. And that will appear immediately on your website. So it's very error-proof in terms of getting your shipment to production. You don't need to go and modify any code or modify anything within your servers to just see that. So it'll just be a login and a UI to just type and drag and drop stuff to get it done. Also, we'll give you a dashboard for the whole business whereby now you can see all your revenues, your orders, your top products, stuff like that. Just some statistics depending on how much you'll need. Also, we'll create multiple reports if you want them, and plus all the custom reports that you'll want from that can give you online statistics, and also that is very integratable to any other system that you'll need it integrated to. Lastly is now we'll just keep your WhatsApp button, have the floating WhatsApp button, so that still the customers who are used to go there and chat you via that button, they can easily go there and do the same since they're used to. So what's the math? So the math is we are saying we'll give you a free setup. So we'll have this one live. If you say today we are going live, then we'll have it live for free. And then there's no any monthly charges or any hidden fee in terms of you doing business with us or having this system there running, or rather online running in your platform for life. So we are saying we're giving you that free. And where now we come back to maybe get some coffee for our developers, and some of us is just this part where we are saying we just give us a commission, and this includes the processing for the card payment and stuff like that. So we'll just do a commission of 5.85 of the gross amount of sale that you make. So this one also you can configure it within. If your product was 200, you can put it plus the 5.85% so that the customer can shelve these on top of your products to just make your business, to not pain your business or maybe harm your business in any way. So you can actually put this because you're giving customer a seamless way of accessing your business, and so you can offload that, or maybe you can do 50-50, you do 2%, the customer do the 3.85% of the order. So the total due today, it will be 0. If you're going live today or tomorrow, the next day it will be 0 until now you make a sale. That's when now we can recoup. And that means when you make a sale via our platform, or when you make a sale online, then we can recoup some small platform fee around the same, and we can make some few coins out of that. So at a glance, what has changed is your selling hours now will be very visible 24/7, and also you'll be getting paid via another stream of income, which will be now online people, the online community, Gen Zs and stuff like that. Those people who actually want to purchase stuffs online, you can easily tap into them. And also it's easy for you now to manage, or rather manage the stocks, whatever is there. And also you can keep some customer records, which will help you also in terms of doing advertisement, which in the next phase now we are looking up to how can we make your business make even more leads than what you have right now. How can we push this advertisement and then give these people offers, and then give them a buttons that they can actually just click and pay, or click and put a deposit on the same. So here I'll attach a walkthrough video on YouTube, private video on YouTube, and then I'll give you a link here so that at least you can appreciate whatever is there or whatever is done within the platform itself. But no worries, for now I'll just go through go through it, and then I'll attach this as a video to you for you to see next. So I'll attach all these links to your new platform. That is it will be tris.bula.co.ke, but this is now the sandbox. And also you'll note that the colors and stuff, we'll just go into the next tutorial, you'll see them. But now for this one will be now your sandbox, and then once you agree, then we can transfer your actual TrisMotors.com. We can transfer these now to point into whichever new platform that we'll have. That will come in when you are doing the data migration and stuff. So let me go next into now the platform and show you what now the platform has, and actually why it's a good fit for your business. So see you in the next video here.